Hey everybody, welcome to Trade Confident. We're gonna go over XRP today, and I'm gonna show you guys how we're able to predict this drop here, like literally very precisely predict this drop here. If you guys were able to get the signal, which I'll show you exactly how to get that here. This ended up, it's currently, at the low, it was at 18.72%, and then we're currently sitting at about 15.25% on this short trade in here. And if you guys are using 5 to 10x leverage, that's 150, possible percent, like doubling your portfolio in possibly 10 days. I'm going to show you how that's possible. Okay, currently managing the live trade here though that we've been calling from way back here. So I'll update you guys on that. But first, let's go over the profits here. Make sure you guys are subscribed to Trade Confident, the YouTube channel here, if you guys want videos like this and to stay updated with what I'm doing and the profits that we're making. So quickly, and then we'll go over XRP Ripple. Haven't done XRP for a while. Just took a win of 19.36% profit on UNI. Took a win of 20.10% on GRT. Did a win of 20.22% on ICP, and then 15.14% on Bitcoin USD over at TradeConfident.io. Okay, this website, TradeConfident.io, is where all of the metrics and all the live trades are called. Guys, it's $49 a month. You just need to get it. I will be upping the price soon. I'll show you why it is so valuable in this video. So quickly going over the trend exhaustion, we are seeing that we're stuck in the middle area here. Price versus the well money flow, we are starting to move down. So money flow is moving out of the market as well as price structure moving down in pink. This is a strong sign that we're going to keep heading down when those are correlated. If we get to the very bottom down here, and especially if the trend exhaustion starts pushing down more, that's where I expect to see a pump up back in the price. We can see historically when we're down here at the bottom, this is when we start seeing pumps up. We can see that right here, and also at the bottom right here, we're seeing pumps up in the market, and also right here, pumps up in the market. So if you guys want literally an indicator on your trading view account that you guys can get in and start calling the bottoms here, this is a profit you guys could have seen at a max of about 29.46%. 29% just from a simple indicator calling this move down here. If you're watching this white line go into the bottom red section, watch it when it hit the bottom of here. Sorry, get my words together this morning. Talking too fast, need some water. When we got to the bottom section down here, you guys could have rode this up and had 24% gain on that. And then even down here at the bottom when the indicator called another signal in here, that's 11.53%. So this indicator is in the description. It's called Trading View Indicators. You guys can also go to TradeConfident.io under the Indicators tab, and you guys can pick this up over here under the Trend Exhaustion as well as all the other ones. Okay, let's go over the metrics today because I want to talk to you guys about that and talk to you guys about how it actually predicted this crash in the market, like very strongly, not like just a little bit, but it really predicted it. So if we look at the emotional index, we are currently moving down to the anxious and fearful section. I want you guys to be aware of this. By the way, these metrics will update at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, which is in exactly about 2 hours. So make sure you guys are over here and you have that membership and you're signed up. Okay. So when you guys start seeing this metric point out anxiety and fearfulness in the market, this is when institutionals and whale trades like to go long. Okay. They like to buy your guys' fear and they love to sell your greed. Okay. So watch for a possible long trade sentiment in the market based off the emotions. Okay. Long versus short trades are just very low right now. We saw a bunch of activity back here. Excuse me. Talking too much this morning. We saw a bunch of activity back here, but we're seeing everything level off. What I'm really watching for is some morning, guys, some morning when we wake up here, long trades are going to drastically increase or short trades are drastically going to increase. I know there's a lot of news going on right now about the SEC, a lot of the XRP, the lawsuit, all that stuff going on. I'm telling you guys, metrics can help you make a lot of money while you're waiting for the news to do whatever it's going to do. And I'm going to talk about this high right here. See right here, when we started pumping up, what was this calling? This was calling a good short trade. We're ticking up in here to the good short trade section, okay? Watch over here too. See this height right here? What was this telling us when we reached the height? We actually jumped into the excited area where all retail traders were expecting us to keep going up, maybe going to the moon again, okay? No, I'm telling you guys, like when we start seeing traders get excited, this is where the Wells institutions will short you guys out of your position. So watch this. This move right here is what we're watching, and it's all transparent on the chart. We see it right here. Good short trade. But look at this. Right when this move came out, an incredible Okay, so this is insane. Like this move down, literally woke up one day and it was like, wham, all the way down here for a short trade sentiment for a whale and institutional smart money. You guys want to trade with smart money? Go to tradeconfident.io. Like guys, it's $49 a month. I promise you the money you'll make back on this is going to be insane. I'll give some proof to you right now. If you guys shorted this, this is exactly where it came out at the peak over here. Let's go back over to XRP. Let's switch this to a day so we get the exact same structure so you guys can see everything transparent. On the daily time frame, not the hour, definitely want to go to the day. Take forever to find that. On the daily time frame, this is the structure we're looking at right here. It's very clear that this move up, let me move this over here to the left a little bit. This peak right here, right there. Get over here. This peak right here on the chart. This is what we're looking at. Sorry if I made you guys dizzy. Let me just point this out real quick. So this peak right here, when we saw that move up and a bunch of short trade sentiment come out in the market, right there, you guys see that? If you came out and you took a short trade on this, I'm going to call it a candle wick close. I'm not going to call candle wick high because that's very hard to get in. But the close of it, which closes on these metrics on a daily basis, if you guys are writing this down and you got to the bottom here, that's about 15 to 16%. Currently, you're sitting about 11%, okay? Doing 5x leverage on this, you're at over 50% profit in your account. If you're doing 10x leverage on these short trades, you're up over 100% on your portfolio in less than 14 days. 11 days, and you could possibly be up over 100%, flipping your whole account in 11 days on a short trade. Like that's insane. And I'm telling you guys, like this is how you use these metrics. They're not just out here just to, show some cool charts. Like people are using this to make money. I showed you guys how we predict the Ethereum drop the other day, and people made well over 50 to 100% if they're leveraging on Ethereum for short trades, okay? Moving down here, we can see that the support resistance prices. If we start moving down further on XRP, where are we gonna stop? Where's the most likely place? We're not gonna just guess, we're gonna use price action here. 59 to 58 cents is where I expect to see a stop before we start heading up. And the place where I really think we're going to get caught is at 50 cents. It's a psychological level, but it also correlates to the structure low on the chart for XRP here, which is right down here at the bottom that you guys can see right here. So if we start moving down, if short trades start increasing, if bad news comes out for XRP, I'm expecting to move down here to about, this is showing about 50 cents. I'm going to use this metric over here if we're calling on the 4-hour chart for XRP. 50 cents and 60 cents is where I want you guys to be watching. If we break past 60 cents, which this is exactly 59, call it 58 cents, then 50 cents is where we can start heading. So over the weekend, what are you watching? I'm not going to be able to do videos over the weekend because I spend it with my family, but these metrics will update. If you guys are looking to get into XRP, watch to see over the weekend if these long trades increase here, we start getting up to this height again, this is a place where I would expect to see XRP start to bounce back up. Okay, historically, when we get up to these areas, we see jumps in the price. We see jumps in the price here. We saw incredible amount of jump in the price here. We saw it jump up here as well. We saw jumps here, and we saw jumps here as well. And we see a bunch of volume here where we've moved up. So if we start seeing long trades enter the market again with sentiment here, I'm expecting us to see a pump back into the market. Also, watch the strength of the long or short trade you take this weekend if you do, or if you guys are holding. If you're going to look for any trades, my personal advice, not financial advice, this is entertainment purposes only, I'm recommending you guys definitely look to take some long trades if I'm giving my personal opinion on these videos, and watch this to see if short trades take over or long trades take over this weekend. So that's how you guys use these metrics to start making money. Real quick shout out to, I did this in another video, but Michael, Frankie, William, Marco, Ram, Arul, Tom, Dan, Ryan, Jeffrey, just to name a few. You guys have subscribed to this. Congratulations on taking advantage of the metrics and coming over here for live trades. Enjoy the profits. That's all I got to tell you guys. So God bless you guys. Have an amazing Friday. I'll see you guys back on Monday, but make sure you guys subscribe over at tradeconfident.io. Again, it's going up to $100 here pretty soon, but it's at $49 a month right now. I think it will be possibly one of the best investments you guys will ever have for crypto, and it's something you just want in your tool bag to check every morning to understand what side of the market are you on and what side of the market can you be on to help give you guys the greatest percentage or greatest chance of winning your trades that day. Awesome, guys. Have a good one. I'll see you over here, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.